Yeah.
curious how you navigated that, or maybe if you were able to give advice to Pinky, who was starting that initiative way back then,
Yeah.
is there some sort of thing you would have told yourself that, you think might would have made that transition a little easier, or maybe would have at least helped you feel better about how difficult it was as you were making your way there?
2 words, leadership buy-in. It's everything. If you can't get leaders, especially of the teams that you're trying to get to come, like, work on some of the stuff you're managing or maintaining or owning, it's impossible, right? They can't do work for another team if their, like, leadership isn't on board with that. They have to be allocated time to work on these other things. So one way that I got kinda lucky is that State Farm I'm not advocating for safe, I wanna be clear, but I State Farm at the time was running in a safe, and by safe, I mean agile, like a safe, agile way. And what that means is, like, there's these different teams and they're all working on, like, the same tools, but they're working on the same stuff. So you kind of have to make sure that they're not hitting each other's stuff. So we have, like, these PI planning sessions where they, like, draw, like, threads across things and make sure that, like, this has to be done before that, right? I know it's a lot. I was never on a team that
I,
operated that way,
I've
but
worked at
I
one
worked with them.
company that used Safe,
Yeah.
and that number will remain at one forever if I have anything to
It's
say
all
about it. That
it's
is
a it's an experience.